All right. They are claiming this young man has taken his father's life while he was asleep with one shot to his I saw this video or videos. There's about 3 of them that I'm going to share with you all today. That kind of it's just a lot of telltales, and just within this video itself, it says a lot, and I'm gonna try to break it down as much as possible. So, y'all see this kid? He's moping. Now, mind you, this is his birthday party. If you pay attention to what this kid has on, he has on everything designer from head to toe. I'm sure this kid's outfit is not even a couple hundred. It's definitely a few $1,000s just for this one outfit here. Just for the outfit. All right? Now, this video is even way more telltale, because just watch the body language in which how he goes about talking to everybody. I mean, talking not because he doesn't talk, about interacting with everyone as he enters his birthday party. Just pay attention, y'all. That was a deep hug. That was one of them. He fell into her arms. I don't know who that is, if it's his grandmom, if it's his mom, or what. He just goes and just flops in the chair. I keep calling him Fat Daddy, like a. Look at this kid. This is insane. I think this is absolutely insane that he's sitting like body language all the way through. Look at everything. There's nothing saying he's into this at all. And I don't know what could have gone wrong that on your birthday you just moping. Everybody came out for you. I'm almost. I don't know. I don't know what to say, because now watch this, y'all. Watch this, and I'm gonna rewind it after. Watch it. Did y'all catch it? Watch this. Catch it again. Everybody else, catch this again. Now, that's his dad. Now, watch this interaction. And watch this interaction. He swiped at him. This is I don't know. What could have been going on before he got there? Anything? So this is what's been alleged here. 15-year-old boy reportedly got into an argument with his father, and what happened next is absolutely heartbreaking. Authorities say the teen waited until his father went to sleep and then shot him once in the head. Comments, which is what we just watched. Homicide investigators, St. Louis County, Missouri, January 12, 2026. A 50-year-old male has been arrested and currently in custody of St. Louis County Family Court. He is facing charges of second-degree murder and armed criminal action due to the investigation. During ongoing, authorities say limited details are available at this time. All right, what happened so far? Police responded to a call about suspicious death on January 7th. So that was 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So about 4 days in between. So he died. He was taken away on the 7th, and they found him the 12th around 4:51 p.m. at the 10,800 block of Glen Gary Road. Officers from the North County Precinct discovered an adult male, later identified as Jonathan Brown, 34, who has suffered at least one gunshot wound and was pronounced dead on scene. I'm a little dyslexic, y'all. Don't worry about it. I know how to read. So reading aloud is the crazy. Now this, please, y'all. I am going to butcher this, because I literally tried to read this. I tried to read this to myself, and I was butchering it. So, well, if any wanna know, the backstory is my homie bro, John. Him and his son got into while he was asleep. His son bammed him and drove his car and had his things, got booked and let go. He only 15. I can't give out other info, but watch crazy. You can look at this video and see son action. The looks, the head moving. He just wasn't all right. Some was off. Bomba Club.
Hell no. Yo, why he put this? Who in the world wrote this? There's no way you thought this was cool. You wrote this? You have no education whatsoever? Yo, this is
Crazy. I'm sorry, let me get back to this. Yes, look at his face. Only said how ungrateful this little ass was. These kids don't give a F anymore. The look on his face tells story. I wonder what happened to cause this output. To cause this output. Right, something happened. Why he keep calling him Fat Daddy? That's the same thing I was saying. I didn't understand that. You can't tell someone. You could tell something was off with him, and nobody paid it any mind. No, I'm sure people paid it mind, but this could be a norm thing for him as well. Could be. We don't know. He not even dead. Facebook capped too much. Okay, so what? I'm assuming that they saying he's not gone. What's his Facebook? Look it up on YouTube. The news channel says, his son had to call the police. Okay, so let's do this. Since they claiming that he's still alive, I believe that there may be. Let me see here. Because if he's still alive, I'm curious to know if he even posted anything about this, right? And let's do it. Let's see if we can find this man. Hopefully he ain't get bam bam. I don't hope he didn't. Cause this ain't cool, man. I don't like this thing, man. I don't like this at all. Okay. So far, I'm not finding anything. So, what I like to do, y'all, I like to do things right on the cuff, right here, right in front of y'all. As I was reading the comments, so I was trying to see if I could find anything with his actual name in it. I'm not seeing anything so far. Trying to see if I could get anything here. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything, y'all. All I got is this here, y'all. So, yeah. So I'm not seeing anything with the father. They're saying the father. It's everybody saying. I mean, not everybody, all of the outlets that I'm seeing said he was charged for second degree. So, yeah, I just wanted to bring this to y'all, man. This one is a little different. I'm gonna try to stay close to this case here because I mean, he was just arrested yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Man, I hope he didn't do it. And if he did, this is very unfortunate. And this guy looks kind of familiar. Is he from like a reality show? Yo, this guy really looks familiar. Like really for real. Hold on. Go back. Oh, there we go. So that's that. With the son here. Sorry, I'm trying to control two things at once. So yeah. Unfortunately, he was taken away. So, y'all be careful out here, man. Pay attention to your kids. Talk to your kids as much as possible. I know sometimes it's hard because they probably don't even want to share. And I would say some more things, but I like I said, I'm not sure what's exactly happened. So this is all alleged. At least that they're saying that this is what happened. But I'm just gonna say alleged because all of it's more information that needs to come out. So y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. This one is unfortunate. Again, y'all be careful, y'all be safe. Pay attention to your kids, pay attention to their surroundings, pay attention to their friends, all of those different things. And also watch yourself as well, because sometimes you may have triggered something that you never even know. These are little humans that we're dealing with as well. I had to learn that the hard way. Okay?
Okay.